Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate a new Cricket wireless phone. Activation guide step by step clearly. First, make sure your phone is charged to at least 50% so it won't shut off during setup. Confirm you have your Cricket SIM card, or confirm your new phone already has a SIM installed. Find your Cricket account information or be ready to create an account if this is your first line. If you are keeping your old number, collect your previous carrier account number and transfer PIN. Power off your new phone completely before inserting or checking the SIM card. Insert the Cricket SIM into the SIM tray using the SIM tool. Then slide the tray back in firmly. Turn the phone on and wait until you see the welcome screen or the home screen. Connect to a strong Wi-Fi network to make activation faster and more reliable. Open the phone app and try placing a call to see if activation starts automatically. If your phone activates automatically, wait for the signal bars to appear and for the call to connect. If it does not activate, open a browser and go to cricketwireless.com/activate. On the activation page, enter the requested details like your phone number or order information. If you are activating a new line, choose the plan you want and follow the prompts carefully. If you are transferring a number, enter your old carrier number exactly as it appears on your account. Type your old carrier account number and your transfer PIN, then double-check for any mistakes. Confirm your billing zip code matches what your old carrier has on file to avoid delays. Submit the activation request and keep the page open while the system processes it. Wait a few minutes, because activation can take some time depending on network and number transfer. Restart your phone once after activation to refresh the network connection. After reboot, check that you see Cricket or LTE/5G at the top of the screen. Make a test call to any number to confirm voice service is working. Send a test text message to confirm SMS is working correctly. Turn off Wi-Fi and open a website using mobile data to confirm internet service works. If mobile data does not work, go to Settings and make sure cellular data is turned on. If you still have issues, toggle airplane mode on for 10 seconds, then turn it off. If the phone shows no service, reseat the SIM card and restart the phone again. If activation is stuck or a number transfer is pending for hours, contact Cricket support or visit a Cricket store with your ID. Once everything works, sign in to the MyCricket app to manage your plan, payments, and features. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.